Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get Soundboard for Discord on Android mobile. So first of all, open your Discord apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Simply click on profile, go to setting option, scroll down, look here, not showing here to the Soundboard option. So don't worry, go back. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Simply go to your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser and type here to discord.com. Go to the first link. So first of all, enable your desktop mode. Now I'm already enabled this option. Then click on download Discord in your browser and log in your Discord account. Now shown here this dashboard. Simply select a server. Tap on this icon. Shown here to server setting option. Click on. And look at the left side. Click on to Soundboard option. Okay, now successfully shown here to Soundboard option. Click on to upload sound. And here you can easily add your sound. So that's how you can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.